Warning, this video contains adult content. Cuss words, inappropriate comments, and offensive language are highly probable. Viewer discretion is advised. What's happening, y'all? So I am going to be changing the plugs and wires on my truck whenever I do the header install. And in fact, I think I'm just going to change the plugs and wires first before I do the headers, just to see if by chance it changes anything on the truck with just the plugs and wires. But here's the wires I'm going to use: the Taylor 10.4 millimeter 409 series. There's the wire with angle boot. And the part number is 79214, and they are the red Spyro LS truck wires. And the plugs I'm going to use, a lot of people are going to hate and throw shade at this, but I've never ever been one for gimmicky stuff, ever. But I have decided to use E3 spark plugs. I know. Use AC Delco. Man, everything I've ever had performance-wise, I've always ran NGK plugs in. Always had good success with them on my Cobras, my Lightning, my Trans Ams, all of them. But, man, I just wanted to try them, see what happens. Whatever, I know they're kind of expensive. I think they're $7 a plug, but I was buying some stuff from Summit anyway, and I needed to fill the cart. So we're going to try them. We'll see what happens. They're probably junk just like everybody says, but who knows? They may not be. I've seen some dyno tests where they actually real world gain power, but I don't know. I'm just going to try them and see what happens. But let me know in the comments. I'm sure a lot of people have opinions on them, but I'd really like to know if you've had good experiences with them or bad experiences. And, you know, that's how we learn from each other. But I'll probably wind up going back with some AC Delco Iridiums or some NGK Iridiums or something along those lines if these don't work out. But anyway, the plugs and wires, I'll probably put them on today just to see if it makes a difference. And then I will put the headers on, go from there. Stay tuned, and we'll see you soon. God bless you.